wait there, I'll put them back in the pot. Aye there, right, so I'm going to harvest this year's carrots. So last year, 2019, I had a great carrot harvest, and I've just got a funny feeling that it's maybe went tits up this year, but let's figure out, let's see. Or maybe no, let's see. So I'm just going to slice away here. I'm not impressed. Last year I had an awesome carrot harvest. I mean, they're not bad, they'll do. They'll do salads, they'll do a meal. We're actually going to make soup with these. So they will get eaten, they will get used. Maybe not the best this year, definitely not compared to last year. But still an edible harvest. Still something to put on the plate. What did I do differently this year from last year? I used eggshells mixed in with the compost to give the compost more, I don't know, calcium, more nutrients for the carrot seeds. The weather has been quite weird in Scotland this year as well. Well, it's weird every year anyway, so that's not an excuse. I suppose when push comes to shove, some harvests work out, some harvests don't. But I'm happy. It's all learning, something new.
They've done more than Dave's soup.
Oh yeah, next year, again I'm going to continue with potatoes and carrots next year, but also I'm going to grow turnips next year as well. You know what? Better than nothing. Better than nothing. As I said, same as last year, all I did was a tub with some holes for drainage in it, planted the seeds in fine compost, watered them pretty much every day. Not that you have to water them every day in Scotland. The environment does that for you. But hey ho, this year's carrot harvest. Not as good as last year, but better than a kick in the teeth. Okay, I'm this Prepper Al, my channel is Prepper Confidential, blah blah blah. There we go, there's my carrots.